Distance between 2 points A and B. AB equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Distance from origin to point P of x comma y equal to root over x square plus y square. If P divides the line segment joining AB, point A x1 y1, point B x2 y2 in ratio m is to n. Suppose if point divides the line internally, then the coordinates of the points are p equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. If the point divides externally, then coordinates of the points are mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. Midpoint formula: p equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Area of triangle formed from the vertices of A, B, C. A x1 y1, B y2, x2 y2, C x3 y3. Its area formula is half x1 half x y minus y plus x y minus y plus x y minus y. We can put the suffixes as 1 2 3, 2 3 1, 3 1 2 square units, or half x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3, y1 minus y2, y1 minus y3 square units, or simply half that of x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1 1 1. Suppose if the one of the vertices is the origin, then area of the triangle would be half that of x1 y2 minus x2 y1 square units. Area of quadrilateral having the vertices A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3, D x4 y4. Here half x1 minus half x1 y2 minus x2 y1. Observe the pattern. All the terms would be xy minus xy plus xy minus xy plus xy minus xy, so on. Suffixes would be 1 2 2 1, 2 3 3 2, 3 4 4 3, 4 1 1 4, or simply half that x1 minus x3, x2 minus x4, y1 minus y3, y2 minus y4. Concurrent lines. The point of concurrency is P. Suppose median, the line passing through midpoint is median. Centroid, intersection of medians is centroid. Centroid formula for the triangle having vertices A, B, C, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Then centroid coordinates would be x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This median divides centroid G divides the medians in the ratio 2:1. altitude, height is the triangle, orthocenter. The concurrency point of altitudes is known as orthocenter. Perpendicular bisector, the line perpendicularly bisects. Circumcenter, concurrency point of the perpendicular bisectors is known as circumcenter. Distance from circumcenter SA equal to SB equal to SC. Angular bisector, set of points equidistant from the two intersecting lines. Angular bisector means bisects the angle of the triangle. Here we have incenter. Incenter is a concurrency point of angular bisectors. We have the coordinates of incenter as I equal to ax1 bx2 plus cx3. A is the length of the triangle, which is opposite to the vertex A. Similarly remain. Okay, the incenter formula ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 by a plus b plus c, comma ay1 by2 plus cy3 divided by a plus b plus c. Here id equal to ie equal to if, that is radius of the circle. Excenter, we have three excenters I1 I2 I3. I1 is coordinates of I1 equal to minus ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 divided by minus a plus b plus c, comma minus ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 divided by minus a plus b plus c. Similarly, for I2 we get negative term set b. Similarly, for I3 we get negative term set c.